Ready? Here we go.
It's flashing. Is that what it's supposed to do? Okay.
Dun 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 dun. Random cowboy.
If you make it sound like that, okay.
Oh, one in the front.
Start throwing bread out.
No, save the bread.
Oh, bye.
Yay, you want to save it. Remember, you
Oh,
used...
here comes some bison. I'm getting
We
there.
got a yak stop.
That's fun.
And the chicken hops behind.
Uh,
I'm cracking up.
Here comes the running yak now.
Oh, he hit my car.
I'm gonna have to put some bread out.
Dude.
The yak hit my car. Oh,
Dude.
I'm gonna run over this guy. He's going in front of me. God, seriously, give me some bread.
Okay, go. Go.
Go! Go! Sit.
All right, I think they stopped. Oh no, we still got this one.
He's busy.
I think I can.
Hey!
I'm gonna get some bread out of them yet, darn it. We're going for the Olympics. The Swim Olympics, here we go. We're on a pogo stairs. Oh my goodness. Oh, I'm so hot from that. Oh, the eagle.
Oh, the eagle.
Yak.
Oh,
Oh
and a
my
hawk
goodness.
too.
Oh my goodness.
Okay, if you're gonna stay here,
I'm trying to get out. I'm trying. Here, for all your hard running, okay? Now go eat and be happy.
Oh!
Okay, now go.
I almost hit him. Oh my goodness.
Oh boy! Here we go!
It's a yak attack. Look at Judy next to you. He really wants to get in front of me. He knows how to stop us. Oh my goodness.
I am crying. I'm laughing
Oh
so
my
hard.
gosh. Okay. Oh.
You can get up now.
Okay.
Oh boy.
All right.
You did it.
You just hit the
We
little button
survived.
there.